Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy options on the Fidelity app. First, you need to ensure options trading is enabled on your account. This is a crucial step before you can place any trades. Also, take time to understand the 4 different option trading levels, as each level has specific requirements and permissions. Finally, always make sure you have sufficient funds available in your account to cover your desired option purchases. Once your account is ready, open the Fidelity app and use the search bar to find the underlying stock or exchange-traded fund you are interested in. After selecting the security, navigate to its dedicated Trade tab. Within this section, you will typically find an option to select options from a drop-down or a clearly labeled button. This will take you to the options chain for that specific security. Now you are looking at the options chain. Here, you will first need to select your desired expiration date, which determines when the option contract expires. Next, decide whether you want to buy a call option, betting on a price increase, or a put option, betting on a price decrease. Then, identify your preferred strike price and observe the premium, which is the cost of one contract, typically representing 100 shares. With your option selected, it is time to place your order. You will need to specify the number of contracts you wish to buy. Remember, one contract usually represents 100 shares. Next, choose your order type, such as a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to set a specific price. Carefully review all the details of your trade, including the total cost, before confirming your options purchase.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.